Hey everyone, are you excited to dive into the universe of 3D creation? Welcome to the first video in our complete Blender course. Today we are conquering the Blender interface, your gateway to creating awesome 3D stuff. Before we dive in, let's answer a quick question. Why is Blender? Blender is a free and powerful 3D creation site. It's like a one-stop shop for everything 3D modeling, sculpting, animation, you name it. Basically, it's a super versatile tool for artists and designers like yourselves. Alright, let's get familiar with the Blender interface. It might seem complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together throughout this course. Look up. At the top left, you'll find the menu bar, giving you access to a vast array of tools and settings. Just below is the panel located near the top left corner. This panel allows you to switch between different editing modes. Also, you can press Tab key to do so. For instance, the most commonly used modes are Object Mode and Edit Mode. As you progress through the course, we'll explore each mode in detail. Blender offers different workspaces tailored to specific tasks. Remember, you can switch between them using the workspace menu in the top right with menu bar, or using shortcut Ctrl plus page up or page down. The 3D viewport. This is the heart of Blender where the magic happens. In the 3D viewport, you'll create and manipulate your 3D objects. Here's where you can truly unleash your creativity. The left side of 3D viewport holds another essential area, the tool shelf. Here you'll find essential tools for manipulating your objects. These handy tools let you select, rotate, scale, and move your objects with precision. Below the 3D viewport lies the timeline. This is where you can create and edit animations, making your 3D creations come alive. On the right, you'll find the outliner. This panel displays a hierarchical list of all the objects in your scene, helping you keep your projects organized. You can easily select, hide, rename, and manage your objects here. Also, on the right side, you'll find the Properties panel. Here you can fine-tune the settings for your selected object or the entire scene. This panel has different tabs depending on what you have selected. Some common tabs include Transform tab. This tab allows you to adjust the position, rotation, and scale of your object. In Modifier tab, you can add special effects to your objects, like beveling edges, creating arrays of objects, or adding smoothness. We'll explore these tabs and their functionalities in details later. And that's a brief overview of the Blender interface. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into specific features, so be sure to subscribe to stay updated. Feel free to like and dislike. Thanks for watching.